Imagine discovering something so powerful it could light cities or erase them. In 1938, that moment arrived, in a quiet Berlin lab. Welcome back, fellow history enthusiasts. You're watching legendary anime tales, where we bring history to life with a unique anime twist. While Han published the results, it was Lise Meitner, forced into exile by the Nazis, who saw what had truly happened. In a snowy Swedish forest, she and her nephew Otto Frisch whispered a terrifying truth. They had unlocked fission. The chain reaction had begun. In Chicago, Enrico Fermi led an experiment beneath a football stadium. No explosion, no cheers, just a soft click. The first human-made nuclear chain reaction had succeeded. Mankind had touched the fire of the gods. But not all wanted to play with fire. Ettore Majorana, a physicist so brilliant even Einstein called him a genius, vanished without a trace. Some say he foresaw what was coming and erased himself from history, choosing silence over destruction. In 1945, Oppenheimer watched a sun rise over the desert. The first atomic bomb had been born. He quoted the Bhagavad Gita, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." It wasn't poetry, it was prophecy. August 6th, Hiroshima. One plane, one bomb, one flash. Then silence. Human shadows burned into walls. Life paused mid-breath. For the first time in history, science had rewritten mortality. 3 days later, Nagasaki. Another city. Another silence. Another son born from human hands. Japan surrendered. But something else had awoken. Fear, global, permanent. Decades silently passed, the world moved on, seemingly forgetting the atom's potential for destruction. Until 1986, Chernobyl. The atom's revenge unleashed upon an unsuspecting world. A deadly meltdown, a catastrophic event, and a radioactive storm that silenced cities again, this time without war, without a visible aggressor. The enemy was invisible, insidious, but everywhere, permeating everything. They said it was a safe, a controlled situation, nothing to worry about. But children vanished, their future stolen. Forests glowed with an unnatural light, a silent scream. Firefighters, heroes unaware, died in days, succumbing to the invisible enemy. A city was abandoned in hours, its lifeblood drained. Chernobyl didn't just burn with nuclear fire, trust did, leaving scars that linger to this day. Today, the atom whispers through the corridors of power, influencing politics on a global scale. It marches in parades, hums in clandestine labs, and stands poised on launch pads. North Korea, a nation shrouded in mystery. Iran, striving for technological advancement. Israel, vigilant and ever watchful. Russia, a legacy of immense power. Each with their own doctrine, their own deterrent, their own reasons, and in the eye of a child absorbing the weight of the world while watching the news, flickers the uncertainty of the next chapter. Yet the atom doesn't choose sides. It powers homes, heals tumors, sends rovers to Saturn. It's not evil, not good, it's potential. And it asks one question: what will you do with me? The future isn't a predetermined path etched in uranium or plutonium. It's a tapestry woven from the choices we make, both big and small. Science has bestowed upon us incredible power, the ability to shape the world around us. Now the crucial question is, how will we wield this power? We must imbue it with purpose, with intention, with a vision for a better tomorrow. The splitting of the atom through fission, the ominous mushroom clouds that cast a shadow over the world, the fervent protests demanding peace, the fragile peace treaties forged in the aftermath, the hopeful rise of wind turbines harnessing clean energy, and the distant, unwavering stars that remind us of the universe's boundless potential. The final page glows with a powerful message. The future is still ours. History didn't end in 1945 with the dawn of the nuclear age, nor did it end in 1986 with the Chernobyl disaster. It continues to unfold right now in this very moment, and its direction is shaped by you, by each and every one of us. If this story, this glimpse into the atom's potential and peril, has lit a spark of curiosity or concern within you, pass it on. Share this video with your friends, your family, your community. Leave a comment and let your voice be heard. And subscribe for more untold legends, reborn in animation, stories that explore the hidden corners of our world and our history. Because understanding the atom, its power, its potential, and its consequences, ultimately means understanding ourselves, our capabilities, and our responsibilities.